Her name is Lust. She's full the mightiest of men. Nations crumble from within. All it takes is just one synapse thread is blood. She'll take your money and she'll run. Oh, her beauty is good. No, you can fall in love with lust. That's what I called her the night I saw her texting a guy. A subtle look in her eyes told me she didn't lie, and it hurt me inside. She stabbed my heart with a knife, then told my friends with a sigh.
His name is Pride. He's never wrong, you know he's right. Stares for hours at his mind. Oh, his darkness lies inside your as a knife. Never a doubt inside his mind, but his ego makes him blind. No, you can fall in love with pride. That's what I had to decide. The moment I realized he'd never budge in his mind, saying I cheated and lied, and it hurt me inside. And when I started to cry, he yelled at me with his smile.
Your name is love.
Your name is pride.
You looked at me with sinful eyes.
You never learned to compromise.
You only love me in the night.
Leave while you
I
can.
wish I ran.
Pride is a foolish broken man.
Lust will kill you, third and then.
Now you can fall in love.